Once upon a time, there was a shy girl named Lily who loved to read stories. She would spend hours in her room, lost in the worlds of her favorite books. Lily dreamed of one day becoming a writer, but she was too afraid to share her stories with anyone. One day, Lily's school had a storytelling contest. She really wanted to enter, but she was terrified of speaking up in front of an audience. Lily knew that she was a good storyteller, but she doubted herself. Lily thought long and hard about what to do. She imagined herself standing in front of the class, telling her story, and everyone laughing at her. She imagined herself forgetting her lines or tripping over her words. But Lily also imagined herself telling her story with passion and emotion, and the whole class being captivated. In the end, Lily decided to enter the storytelling contest. She knew that it would be a challenge, but she also knew that it was an opportunity to face her fear and prove to herself that she could do anything she set her mind to. On the day of the contest, Lily took a deep breath and walked to the front of the room. Her heart was pounding in her chest, but she refused to let her fear get the best of her. Lily closed her eyes and began to tell her story. Lily's story was about a young girl who was afraid of heights. One day, the girl's class went on a field trip to a mountaintop. The girl was terrified, but she knew that she had to face her fear. She took a deep breath and started to climb. The climb was difficult, but the girl persevered. She reached the top of the mountain and looked out at the breathtaking view. The girl felt a sense of accomplishment and pride that she had never felt before. She had faced her fear and conquered it. Lily's story resonated with the audience. They could all relate to the feeling of being afraid, but also to the feeling of overcoming that fear. Lily won the storytelling contest, but more importantly, she learned that she was capable of great things. Moral of the story: it's okay to be afraid, but it's important to face your fears and never give up on yourself. Sometimes all it takes is one small step to overcome your fears and achieve your dreams.
If you enjoyed this story and want more tales that teach valuable life lessons while improving your English, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our community of language enthusiasts here at English Fable Hub. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and keep enjoying the magic of storytelling with us. Thanks for watching.